Tsly and QQQY may be even better than I thought. Let's take a look at these charts, and you may have a buying opportunity coming up on both ETFs rather soon. This is Mike, Tactical Stock Scalper. All right. So about 5-6 days ago, I made a video that if you were going to average down on TSLY, that point to average down was around the $13 mark for a couple reasons. One, if you look at TSLY, we're forming a possible double bottom and reversal, but we had to look at the Tesla chart, right, just to make sure. So let's look at the Tesla chart. As you see here on Tesla, when we called for time to purchase or average down on Tsly, we were getting rejection from the 100 period moving average on the daily time frame. You see the kind of red wavy line through there. Disregard my crude trend lines. Those are just for visual purposes rather. But we talked about in that video, when you purchase Tsly, we need to look at the Tesla chart, and we're looking to buy there at the 100 period moving average on Tesla, purchasing our Tsly, that is, and looking for possible rejection around the $270 price tag for Tesla. And that's what we're going to be looking for. Now, could it break out of 270 and head up there to 280 to get possible rejection? Absolutely. But we're going to be looking for rejection in this level to possibly come back and test these 20 period moving average and the 50 period moving average around the $250 price tag for Tesla. So if we were to look at that on the Tesla chart, it's looking like your price tag to buy in again would be around the $13.50 mark. $13.50 mark is where I'll be looking to purchase more TSLY, as we had a couple nice rejections there, which go along with what you see on the Tesla chart. But that's not the only reason, right? We want to look at Tesla when you want to purchase Tsly for the best price possible. We also need to look at the overall broader market. So let's just go ahead and look at SPY. Okay. Now, this is another reason why we bought Tsly when we did. Not only the Tesla chart, but we wanted to look at the SPY chart. As you see there, we're messing around the 200 period moving average on the daily. That's three indicators that let me know I need to buy Tsly immediately. Well, what we have here is we called for a possible gap fill, and that's exactly what we're getting here on the market. Possible rejection here at the 50 period moving average on the daily time frame on SPY, which is the green wavy line there. We could go up a tad bit more to possibly 440, but we are looking for a pullback here in the next day or two. So your buying opportunity will be coming rather soon on TSLY. Just keep a look at the broader market and obviously Tesla as we go forward. Now I want to talk to you about QQQY and the Qs. So let's kind of look at this. Let's go to QQQY. Obviously on a daily time frame, we can't get a lot of information on that yet. So let's just go ahead to the 15-minute chart. We can get a little more information there. Okay, so what we see here on QY is that we're starting a bullish trend. We have the 100 period moving average, there, about to cross the 200, which is great. All EMAs are stacked in a bullish formation. What we'd like to see, we had a rejection here off the 50 period moving average on a 15-minute time frame. We're looking for a possible come back down and maybe hold the 20 period moving average right there at the white line, or maybe even come back down and test the 50 period moving average. But let's go ahead and look at the Qs, because we want to look at the Qs when we're wanting to buy QQQY. We're going to get off the 15 period moving average here, our 15-minute time frame. All right, let's look at the daily on the Qs. Qs look just magnificent as a whole. This looks like nothing when the market was panicking and people were selling out. This look, to me, currently looks nothing more like a dip in the market. You see the Qs here were messing around the 100 period moving average. We broke out of that. We filled the gap on the Qs. what we may see here is a rejection around 375, possibly from the Qs, or maybe we get rejection right here, right now, and she comes back down over the next day or two and tests one of these 20 period moving average, maybe the 50 period. That's what we'd like to see, right? We'd like to see the Qs come back down and test that 50 period moving average, use that as support, and then move up from there. But so your buying opportunity for QQQY will be coming up shortly. Here's where I'm going to be purchasing more in my little account here. Let's go back to the 15-minute time frame. I'm going to be looking for QQQY to come back down to that 50 period moving average, and I'm going to watch if it holds there. If it does, I'm going to go ahead and purchase more QY and get my average cost a lot lower, because we see now my average cost is way up there, right? Let's go ahead and pull up the daily time frame. So it's not too far off from where we are, but I haven't averaged down on QY yet. I am waiting a little bit longer. We're going to wait till it comes back down to maybe the 50 period moving average on the 15-minute time frame that you see right here. We're going to be looking for that, because as you see around 1875-ish, there's possible support there. Lovely bounce off the 50. Want to see it come back down and test that and rock it from there. Or maybe it just holds the 20 here and goes up from there. And then I wouldn't average down at the 20. I'm going to look for a deeper retracement to average in. Now I want to show you one more thing. When we're looking at the broader market, let's go ahead to the daily time frame. The market has just ripped the last 3 days. The market never goes straight up for a long period of time and never goes straight down for a long period of time. We're looking for ups and downs within the market and looking for the best buying opportunities, my friends. So be patient. Let the market breathe. Wait for a pullback, and wait for a pullback to key levels to the underlying that you are trading. If you're trading TSLY, look for a key level in Tesla to purchase TSLY. If you're looking to buy QQQY, look for a key level in the Qs to purchase your QQQY. And if you're doing JEPQ, right, that trades off the SPY or SPX rather, look for a retracement to purchase your shares to get a better average cost on your particular ETF that you own. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is Mike, Tactical Scalper, out.